Okay, this is our geometry homework videos, chapter 7, problem 122. We're asked to look at the diagram and determine if the triangles are congruent, and if they are congruent, why. What congruent statement would say that they are congruent. And so in this particular one, looks like we have angle E matches up with angle A. EC is the same length as segment AC, and then in addition to that, there's a pair of vertical angles here. So it looks like these two triangles are going to be congruent by angle, side, angle. We just need to now match up the correct order of letters. So CAB, matches up with CED because of angle, side angle congruency. The next one here, we have one pair of sides that match up. We have another pair of sides that match up, and the right angle in between matches up. So this is a pretty clear example of side angle side congruency. Now let's match up the correct letters. So it says CBD, well that would match up with EFG. Okay, on to the next set here. So we're looking at triangle LJI, so that's LJI, which is actually overlapping with this triangle HJK. So it's like almost been reflected across the vertical, the y-axis there has been reflected over, so it's now pointing the other direction. And if we look at these two triangles, KJ matches up with IJ. They also share this angle J in between the other pair of sides, LJ and HJ. And I know that those two sides are congruent because if we think about summation, right, adding things together, well, JI plus IH is the same as JK plus KL, right? So if these two segments are exactly the same as these two segments, when we add them together, the total has to be exactly the same as well. So this entire length, the angle in between, and then this segment is the same in both triangles. So LJI is the same as HJK by side, angle, side congruency. If you're having trouble seeing that, sometimes it helps to redraw the triangles after they've been separated from each other. So here is LJI, oops, and then here's HJK. I realize my drawing is not the best here, I apologize. Let me draw it in the stuff. So there's angle J, which is the same in both of them. KJ is the same as IJ, and then the LJ and HJ are the segments that are kind of added together to be the same. Okay, the bottom one here, these triangles are not congruent. These triangles are just similar by angle-angle similarity, but we don't have a side length at all to match up, so there's no way we can show that they are congruent. We can prove they're similar, but that's about it. If you have any questions on those triangles, pairs, about why they are congruent or not, feel free to leave a question or comment. Otherwise, you're more than welcome to like, subscribe, or share to our geometry channel.